Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoom and stop background updates step by step clearly. To uninstall Zoom from your computer, start by closing the application if it's currently open. On Windows, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search bar and hit Enter. In the Control Panel, select Programs or Programs and Features. Locate Zoom in the list of installed programs. Click on Zoom to highlight it. Then, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard to remove Zoom from your device. For Mac users, open the Finder from your dock. Click on Applications in the left sidebar. Find the Zoom application in your Applications folder. Right-click on Zoom and select Move to Trash. Next, open the trash icon in your dock. Click Empty Trash to permanently remove Zoom from your Mac. Now, to stop background updates, start by opening the Zoom application again if it's still installed. Sign in to your Zoom account using your credentials. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the General tab. Uncheck the box next to Automatically keep Zoom desktop client up to date. This action will prevent Zoom from automatically downloading updates in the background. Finally, close the Zoom application to save your settings and complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.